what really had made my life change and what are the things that I really pay attention consciously now? Relationships. So heroic was impacting all of the aspects. The love aspect was probably where the biggest gain I experienced. My name is Barnabas. I'm from Hungary, and I've been following heroics since 2020. I graduated from Coach Class 5. What is different is that it's validated scientifically. That's what grabbed me in the first place. The before and after data convinced me immediately. Now, for my personal impact, I lost like 8 kilograms just by paying attention on the healthier habits that I have. I'm much more focused. A sage from the stage can tell you anything he wants, but you really need a guide on the side who can guide you and you do the work, and there's facilitation. The level of energy, if you have a shared value system and a shared vocabulary, is a multiplicator. You cannot recreate it at home alone, and you cannot recreate the same thing in front of a Zoom camera or a virtual meeting. Because I've been on one event where I got the glimpse of what heroic could be. The next event I actually had gone to with my daughter, my understanding and visceral feeling about the whole movement got even more established and my belief got stronger. To me, it's not a question to be in these events. It's always a question of when, it's not a question of if. The amount of love, literally palpable in a room, you cannot replace it with anything, not artificial intelligence, again, not VR. Nothing works except for the physical radiation and micro resonances in a room full of people. And each time I've been to any of the events, I got way more out of it than what my expectation was. And the amount of goosebumps moments, those are moments that you cannot plan for. I now measure these events in the frequency of how many goosebumps do I get over the 3 days. I just simply go for it because I'm addicted. As an international person, on the last event, I basically told the crowd that I'm translating the book of Brian Johnson's. I finished the translation. This is more than 1,000-page long book. I did it out of an act of love in my spare time. The feeling of going through the wisdom again by doing a translation to Hungarian language deepened everything inside me about heroic. And I'm just all in. You can't really keep away me from any of these meetings in the future because I know the benefit that I can get out of it. I know what I can give to others.